Want to enable location services for your photos on your iPhone? It's easy, and I'll show you how to set it up so your device can record where pictures are taken. This feature is great for organizing your images or creating location-based memories. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Enable location services for the camera app. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Ensure that Location Services is toggled on. Scroll down and find Camera in the list of apps. Tap on Camera. Select while using the app or ask next time or when I share in the Camera app to access your location when taking photos. Solution 2. Enable location for photos already taken. Open Photos app. Select a photo that you want to check for location data. Swipe up on the photo or tap on the info icon I to see the details. If the photo has location data, it will show the location at the bottom of the screen. To add, you can tap on Adjust. Search for location. Now you can add new location to your photos or videos. Solution 3. Turn on location services for other apps. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Scroll through the list of apps and ensure that any app you want to use for photos like social media apps also has location access enabled, so that if you use other apps to take photos, your location will be added automatically. Now you know how to enable location services for photos on your iPhone. If you run into any problems or have more questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.